Meal prepping is not something I am super great about, so I wanted to find a way to use my freeze dryer to help me prep meals for easy, quick dinners throughout the week. One meal that my kids will always eat without complaints is pasta. They like noodles. A lot of kids, I think, do. So to make it easy on myself, I am going to prep some meat sauce. If I have the base of the meat sauce ready to go, all I gotta do is boil up some noodles, toss in the meat sauce, and there's a meal for my kiddos. So I wanted to get that done in my freeze dryer. I have not done something like this yet, and come along with me and see how it goes. I also am announcing my 2 giveaway winners in today's video. Later on, I am going to take you guys with us on a little Alaskan adventure, and that is where we are going to do our drawing and see what 2 of my viewers are gonna win our prize for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. For now, let's go back in time to a couple of days ago when I was prepping my pasta sauce. I will show you the products that I used and how I did it and got everything prepared, and then I will meet you guys back here because our freeze dryer is almost done. What's up? I am here in my kitchen working on my meat sauce to get ready to go into the freeze dryer. All I have in here is I had 3.5 jars of pasta sauce. Just do whatever your favorite is. Homemade is even better if you make your own pasta sauce. This is such an easy way to be able to preserve it and to be able to use whenever you need. But I am lazy and just did jarred sauce. I cooked up a bunch of meat. It's ground beef from Costco. I like really meaty pasta sauce. So I'm just gonna I'll probably end up using about half of this into my sauce. And then I'm just gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes or so just to blend all the flavors together. And then we will put it on our trays. I've got my sauce ready and my trays. I am using my silicone tray liners for this. It's much easier to remove the freeze-dried sauce when you have some type of liner on the tray. I will link these. They are just purchased from Amazon. And I'm also going to use my tray stackers this time. You stick them in the corner like so. And then you can easily stack your trays up so that they can go on one shelf into the freezer. I am gonna pre-freeze this before I put it into my freeze dryer. And here we are. They are all stacked up together. I had some extra room that I could have fit more sauce on these trays, but I just did what I made in my pot, and it is gonna turn out great. I am gonna go pop these into the freezer, and then tomorrow morning I will take you guys to my freeze dryer and show you the settings and all of that I'm gonna use for freeze drying the meat sauce. Good morning. Don't mind my appearance today. I am just getting the kids ready for school, but wanted to get my meat sauce into the freeze dryer. So the settings I am going to use are just the standard settings, but I just like to increase my dry time to like 7 hours, let's say. I do that for if it happens to be done at the end of the night, it'll just keep drying, and that's not gonna hurt your food. A lot of times it needs more dry time than what the machine senses, so I do that just as a buffer. And then during the dry cycle, the extra dry cycle is when I will test my trays to see if they are fully freeze dried or not. And I will show you how I do that. You can do a simple little weigh test of your tray to see if the moisture is still being removed from the food or not. So we are just gonna wait our 15-minute cool down period, and I'm gonna go grab the trays. I am just getting my drain valve closed. I got my, I keep wanting to call it chili. It's not chili, it's pasta sauce. I'm gonna get it into the freeze dryer. we are all loaded up. It is freezing. I am sure this will be done hopefully sometime tomorrow. I'm sure it'll take more than 24 hours. And then I am going to show you how I package this up and use it for meal prepping. It's going to be super convenient to have meat sauce on hand, just on my pantry shelf for me to be able to throw into a dish. And don't forget, we are picking that giveaway winner, 2 giveaway winners actually, at the end of today's video. So stick around for me to make that announcement. Good luck, good luck. We're gonna have to do the giveaway in some beautiful Alaskan location. Good weather or not, we will make it happen. I want to show you a quick way on how you can test to see if your food is fully freeze-dried. You are just going to hit that top leaf. Will always pause your freeze-drying session. I'm gonna open my drain valve so I can pull out a tray. I've got just a simple food scale that I purchased on Amazon. I can leave a link for you in the video description below. And I am going to zero it out, put my tray on. I am at 915 grams. Yes. So I'm just gonna slide this back into my freeze dryer. And on your screen, I'm gonna select more dry time. It's gonna tell me to close my drain valve. I'm hitting continue. And it's gonna go for 2 more hours. In about an hour, I am going to take out the same tray. Definitely remember what tray you used. I used the bottom. And reweigh it. If the weight is the same, then you know all the moisture has been removed from the food. If the weight is different, then it's still removing moisture and you want to let it go longer. My weight on my tray still said 915 grams, so I am going to get these out of the freeze dryer and get them packaged up. And you guys, I'm sorry, my voice sounds so funny. I am like losing my voice or something. I don't know. I hope I'm not on the verge of getting sick, but right now I just kind of have a weird sounding voice, so please excuse that. I am gonna go get my jars. I am gonna package these in. One sec. Because I want convenient access to my meat sauce to be able to use throughout the week whenever I need it, I am going to store them in mason jars. If I wanted this to be long-term storage, I would choose the Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, but I plan to use these within the next month or 2. I like having quick grab-and-go ingredients on my pantry shelf, so that is why I'm choosing to do mason jars. Okay, I filled 4 mason jars. That worked out great. I got 1 jar per tray, and I'm just gonna consider this as like 1 pasta meal for my family's worth right here. I am going to throw an oxygen absorber in each of my jars, and then I'm gonna vacuum seal it with my food saver. Throwing the oxygen absorber there just gives you extra insurance on keeping your food nice and dry. I saved some aside to reconstitute to show you guys how this looks once you add water back to it and you actually go to use it in a recipe. I've got some cleaning up to do now, and it is time for me to go meet my kids at the bus stop, get them home from school. We're gonna head out in a little bit on our Alaskan adventure, and we will draw our 2 names for our giveaway winners. When we come back from our Alaskan adventure, I will reconstitute the pasta sauce and show you how it looks and how it tastes and all of that. I want to remind you that if you want to start freeze drying yourself and you don't have a freeze dryer yet, I have an affiliate link with Harvest Right down in the video description below. You can click that link, hit shop, and that will show you all of the freeze dryers that Harvest Right offers and their pricing and all of that. The new Pro version of the Harvest Right freeze dryer gives you 5 shelves instead of 4, which is so awesome. You can freeze dry even more food. And so it is a great time to purchase a freeze dryer if that is something you want to start doing. I absolutely love it. If you have any questions about what type of freeze dryer you might be looking for, what would suit you best for your needs, please let me know in the comments and I am happy to help you there. I'm sorry, my voice sounds so weird and I can't stand the sound of myself. So I am so sorry for how weird I sound. Maybe it doesn't sound so weird to you guys, but to me, I sound weird. We made it out here to Mirror Lake, which is about 15 minutes from where we live. And I will show you the lake in a minute. Oh, whoa. But they have a really fun bike park here and my kids have been dying to come back ever since we came out here earlier this summer. It is definitely fall around here, if you could tell with all of the leaves on the ground. Soon it'll be covered in snow and we won't be able to come here anyway. So we figured we have some decent weather. It's a little chilly, but it's not raining. So we came to have some fun. While the kids ride, I wanted to come show you the beautiful lake that is here. Anytime there's a sunny day in the summer here, we spend it at Mirror Lake and we kayak and do stand-up paddleboarding and just enjoy the sun. Whenever the sun is out in the summer in Alaska, everyone is here. This is definitely our happy place in the summer. You can see how beautiful it is. I mean, we've got this mountain here. You get float airplanes that take off and land here on this lake. That is so fun to watch. You can paddle out. There's houses out there. There's a sandbox down over this direction. And in the summertime, this entire beach is just covered with families and kids playing in the water. And it's just so much fun. I absolutely love it. This is our like wannabe beach place for Alaskans. And it was also so fun last year, right when the water froze, but before snow had fallen on it and the lake was frozen. We came out here with the kids and walked all over this lake. It was like the craziest thing. I'd never been on a frozen lake before, coming from Arizona. That's just something I've never experienced. And it was so cool. People were out there ice skating. We didn't have ice skates and we were just like playing around on the ice. It was so fun. Hopefully I'll be able to do that again this year and I will show you guys. Woo! Once these kids are done riding, I am going to gather them up and we will have them draw our 2 winners for the giveaway. All right, Bria's got all of our names in the jar. She's shaking them up real good. And then she's gonna draw one out. She's got her hand in there. Which one you gonna get? Just get one.
I'm trying to grab a certain one. Here's the one I was feeling. Tris's 1, 2, 0.
Hold it up to the camera. This is it, 1, 2, 0. You are our first giveaway winner. Yay!
Yay!
Woo!
Next one.
All right, Bria is gonna pick our second winner. Reach in nice and deep. Only get one.
Jane Doe.
Jane Doe 42011. Congratulations, you are our winner. Congratulations to my 2 winners. Thank you all so much for entering. Thank you for commenting and interacting with my videos. It helps support my channel and helps me be able to boost my views to hopefully get to as many freeze drying lovers as possible. You guys are the best. Stay tuned for more giveaways. I plan to do them as I hopefully reach new milestones on my channel. So stay tuned for that. To my 2 winners, I want you to send me an email at the email address in my video description below, freezedrydiy@gmail.com. All I need is your name and mailing address, and I will ship off your goodies to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much. I'm so excited for you. I've got my 4 jars all vacuum sealed up, and I'm just gonna stick them in my pantry right here, and I will have them available whenever I need a quick, easy, go-to meal during the week. Okay, and now with my extra jar, I am just going to add hot water to it and see how it looks when it is reconstituted. I did not do any measuring or anything. I'm just gonna gauge it based on how it looks. When it looks like the consistency I want, then I'll know that we're good to go. I gotta grab a spoon. Here is our sauce. I let it sit here for about 10 minutes to just reincorporate the liquid into the dried food. And I am just gonna give it a little taste test. This is perfect. This is exactly how I would serve it if I was making it fresh. Now all you have to do, you have your sauce, add it to whatever pasta you want, and bam, you got a quick meal that took absolutely no effort in the moment, at least. It took effort prepping it, but I love this for those nights when kids have activities going on and you don't have time to sit there and cook up a full-on meal. All you gotta do is boil some noodles, add some hot water to this, and toss it all together, and you've got a meal in 10 minutes that everybody will enjoy. I'm super stoked about this. Let me know if you are gonna try this or if there's other quick like meal prep things that you have done with your freeze dryer. I would love some more ideas. And yeah, I think that's it. For those of you who were interested in the magnet, I am like terrible saleswoman over here because I never got it loaded to my website. It is now going to be uploaded for purchase if that is something that you wanted to buy. I will have the link in my video description below if you want the magnet. And remember, it comes with the little stickers and mini keychain goodie bag along with the magnet itself. So that will be available for you today. And remember, if you have purchased a freeze dryer through my affiliate link, please send me an email and I will send you the magnet and goodie bag for free as a thank you for shopping through my link. You all are the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you got any questions. I will catch you guys on the next freeze drying adventure. Bye. Sorry for my voice. Oh my gosh.